All right，今天跟大家讲中文啊，开场白讲中文，嗯，因为已经被人吐槽无数次说，你干嘛非得说英文？嗯，讲股票肯定我习惯就是讲英文，所以没办法，因为股票这个东西是在美股这个东西是在国外学的，没看过一本中文书，所以啊、对我会这么一直执着的装逼下去。然后今天是2月29号啊，28号。那这个 watchlist is for tomorrow the 29th. So let's jump into it. SRPT earning today. Aftermarket huge drop 26 right now. And so tomorrow I'm gonna look for a post market action. So morning action, this is 26 right here. This is a level, this is another level. We'll see how this thing goes. This is just gonna be a reaction trade for tomorrow. HTGM, I didn't trade this one. I think some people did. TGT had a really huge earning day today. We mentioned this long right here in the chat room. I think some members took it. Pretty nice. 2%, more than 2% gain. If you use this high as a target, then that's a pretty decent, nice way. And WDAY, I didn't trade this because it didn't fit myself. I was busy, so I didn't trade this. LJPC, huge run. It didn't drop as much as I thought, so this thing could, consolidating here a couple days, then keep on going. We'll see. FSLR, no interest. This is a nice fade, but I didn't trade this one. So CD, no, NVDA. Okay, this one I didn't. I did not expecting this could drop this much today. Wow, so pretty surprised. I thought they're gonna push above this. This is a 50 MA, but I guess they just couldn't break. But this sign, today's action is pretty pretty bearish to me. Huge selling value, huge selling value. Now they could not break through the 50. So what's next? I don't know. Okay, I showed a chart earlier for people to look at it, and I don't want to comment on this too much. Where's my chart? Let me see. Okay, this one. So this is the QQQ for the tech sector. Straight up, small bounce today. Today went down for 0.31%, 40 cents. This thing so far, okay? So you think about it, do the comparison and take a look for yourself. Relative weakness or relative strength, okay? If you have the basic understanding of chart, then you should know what I'm talking about, okay? Okay, next one, ONCE. Okay, ONC, I'm looking for this. Okay, 65, line up, okay? It could break out anytime. And ANET still hanging there, even it dropped a little bit, but I still think this is still a flag. Could keep on going. KATE, still hanging there, still watching this for a breakout over 24. LABU, this is such a strong thing. I mentioned this one the other day right here. The second day this thing just pops like, man, there's 14% from the beginning, like right from 44 to 51. Sometimes these 3-time ETF just run crazy. I mean, QCOM, I think they have is it earning today? Dividend. Okay, never mind. Pass this one. TTM. TTMI. Still looking for this thing. This thing could bounce right here. So I just keep on watching. LITE. It's kind of holding a support. Same thing over 27. We'll see. We'll see how market goes. Tesla is this. Okay, it bounced off hammer, bounce off the 50 MA. So tomorrow, this thing could bounce. At least the daily chart is telling me that they've closed pretty much high of the day. So, well, not high of the day, but this is last minute run, straight run with this huge volume right here, and that means something. Okay, at least to me. Where's my KAT? KAT. Did I mention the KAT? Yeah, I did. Okay, MASI. Okay, this one we've been watching for so long. Finally, it's showing something. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna watch this one. Showing some weakness, and this is, I don't know who's buying this thing. Okay, or maybe people bought from the 70s start selling this. Okay, we'll see. WUBA. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, this is some crazy run. Okay, I had a bad trade on this. I lost like $100 on this trade, and but I mentioned this yesterday. Okay, so mentioned for a gap up. This thing, for me, I missed the move on 35. I trying to get something right here, and I tried before the bounce. I thought this thing could fill the 40 gap right here, because it's already 37 by the time I realized. I thought, oh, they're probably gonna do a full push later, like, during the later of the day, but it never did. Finally, I break even. Well, small loss. Let me see where my chart is. Just a small loss. Anyway, I trade VRX today, but pretty nice. Okay. Anyway, I'm not gonna do this, I guess. Let me see. Alright. PRGO. VRX. I think there's nothing I can talk about this thing. This thing is just awesome. It's a really nice trade. There's nothing I can talk about it. Top tick, bottom tick, and this thing actually faded to the 1430s later. So what's good? All good. When the trend is strong, just keep shorting. Didn't do really well on the PL. Oops. Lost $165 on WUBA because I was miscalculated. 1250 PRGO. I had a really good idea of the direction, but my fill was just bad. Okay, my entry was bad. Let me see how my entry was. PRGO. Okay, PRGO. Supposedly I was gonna short right here, but I was late. I got in here and covered a little bit. I don't even know what I was doing. Okay, then I got shake out right here. If I got in here, this spike will not hurt me, or I would not care about this spike, because I got in here, the spike really, touched my mentor stock on like risk. Then I just took it off, and you see the rest. What happens? 75 flush to 72, and this is 76. That's like $4 of move. 1,000 shares. That's 4K. Okay, so anyway, what happens. Just saying. All right, that's it for today. And so we have open 我们的 实盘群每个星期一对外开放。如果你有兴趣的话，你可以看我的个人资料。如果你想尝试一个星期的 free trial， 我也可以给你，让你尝试一下，让你了解一下我们的实盘群是怎么运作的可以体验一下欢迎打假人士来参与，这个我们都不怕，我们大概有110位。我可以给大家看一下这是我们的实盘群，成员119人。OK 交易者的天空。OK， 每天早上我们美东时间8点半到9点半的时间，盘前1个小时会再出一个 watchlist， 会做一个 AM meeting， 就是会 scan market， 然后大家做一个 game plan。OK， 当然，如果你是 active trader， 你对 active trading 有兴趣，你可以来参与我们。OK， Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.